Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to disable the send crypto function on Luno. Now, disabling the send crypto functionality on Luno isn't typically a user controlled setting like a simple toggle switch. Luno's security measures and regulatory obligations dictate how and when crypto transfers are allowed. However, you can effectively disable it for your own security in a few ways. Don't verify your account. This is not recommended. Please always verify your account. But if you really want to disable send crypto, then you don't verify your account. If you purposely leave your account unverified and you don't complete your KYC, Luno will restrict your ability to send cryptocurrency. However, this is strongly, and I mean strongly, discouraged. An unverified account have many limitations, and it's better to have a verified account for full functionality and security. Don't fund your wallet. If you don't deposit any cryptocurrency into your Luno wallet, you won't be able to send any. If you're concerned about security, transfer your cryptocurrency from Luno to an external wallet, hardware or software that you control. This effectively removes your crypto from Luno's platform. If you suspect unauthorized activity or want to place a temporary hold on sending crypto, contact Luno support. They might be able to place temporary restrictions on your account, but this is usually for security reasons and not for a standard user feature. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.